Eat more food connoisseur. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the food and the restaurant I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Alright, today I went to Chipotle. You all know Chipotle. Chipotle Mexican Grill. I did this review because maybe a month or so ago, I went to the spot called Moe's Southwestern Grill, and I was very disappointed. So, Chipotle is usually the spot I go to when I got a craving for burritos. So, today I got a brisket burrito. I got a little bit of lettuce in it. I got black beans, corn, white rice, a little bit of sour cream, and some mild salsa. And I got the burrito right here. You see this? This is how a burrito is supposed to look. Look at this. Look like a football almost. Alright, foodie fan, before I get involved in this burrito situation here, I need y'all to please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Share me out with everybody you know. And hit the notification button so you can know my videos are on. Alright, we're going to go for that first bite. Take a look at it. See it? Look at this. Spiced up just right. Chipotle has the options of sour cream on their menu. Moe's. You got that lettuce in there to give it that extra crunch. You got those onions and peppers in there to give you that extra crunch and that flavor. The corn in there to give that smokiness that it needs. Thirst quencher. This is how a burrito is supposed to taste and look. Take some lessons, Moe's. Send your people to wherever Chipotle go to teach their employees how to make the right kind of burrito, how to season that meat right, and not have that bland situation y'all had going on in y'all's. This meat right here has this little, just a hint of sweetness to it to make it coincide with all the other ingredients that's up on this situation right here. Amazing. And they're not stingy with their ingredients. It's loaded up with meat, and it's loaded up with all the other ingredients that's inside of it. You can tell these people take time to add love to their meat when they're preparing it. I seen a commercial and it says that they let that meat marinate for hours. That's how you're supposed to do brisket. Brisket is a hard meat to season, and they got that seasoning down to a science there. I could just take a plate of that brisket and just eat it by itself, let alone on this on the burrito that I have right here. I just had to come out and do this video because Chipotle is a fast food chain, just like Moe's is, and they're doing their stuff right there. To me, that spot that I went to, they need to take some classes from Chipotle. Chipotle has it right. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give Chipotle's burrito an 8.5. You got to keep in mind that it's not a restaurant, it's a fast food chain, so they more like into getting their stuff out, quickly. So on a scale of 1 to 10, for it being a fast food chain and not a top-notch restaurant, that's the rating that I give it. And I definitely recommend you go out and grab their brisket burrito, because it's only out for a limited time, and it's definitely a filler. I ate half of it and I'm full. So this one right here was a winner to me. Alright, foodie fam, it's always a pleasure coming out, letting you see what I was experiencing. This Chipotle was located in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, on Senator Road, in the complex where you got Costco, Target, and all those things in there. It's right next to Jersey Mike's. This was a family meal, and I didn't pay for it, so I don't have the receipt right here with me to tell you how much I paid for it, but you won't be disappointed. Go out there and grab it up. Tell them you seen the video of Eat More Food Connoisseur. Recommend you go try them. Alright, tell your loved ones you love them. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Eat More Food Connoisseur. I'm out.